Auction industry is special in different ways, and one of the is that people who are attending an auction may also be the seller of an auction object. So the people are both sellers and buyers, and what is also special is that the products which are sold at an auction is not belonging to the auction house. They just sell the goods for the other people, so the transactions are made on products they don't own. So they just then have commissioning on the sales for bringing together. People are interested in these products. So the main thing for an auction house is that they have to get people to the auction that are willing to pay good prices for the objects. And this is their main, say, advantage, addition to, say, other online as standard sales. They have to have special people and connections. There are, in RamBase, online auctions and classic auctions, combined auctions, are very much the same in the way you're handling it, the way you're receiving goods, and the way the bidding are done, and it's very much the same. And the presentation online, if they're the online is always online. The classic combined auction can be online, and our customers are using it very much because then they have a much bigger group of bidders, but you don't have to have it online. The main difference is that when you have a combined auction, the auction is ended on the podium. That you have an auctioneer who is then, say, clubbing it, and then it's sold. And on an object is then sold online only, and it's when the time is over and no more bids are being sent, then it's over. What we see is there are a lot of smaller companies which are in need for more efficient IT solutions, and with RamBase being a SaaS solution, we see that we can have quite efficient implementations, meaning lower costs, and we can, say, also take in more smaller companies. We have an auction module which covers almost the most needs of auction handling, but in addition we have all the logistics handling for order handling. You have the shipment, and you have also the invoicing part with advanced counter accounting, where the suppliers, which also can buy stuff, can have counter accounting, and it's very efficient for the auction house to do the settlement afterwards. So you have the complete process from the reception of goods to the selling part, and then also the shipping and invoicing. So everything is handling in RamBase using standard RamBase methods, and this is also done for all at the same time. You don't do it customer by customer or supplier by supplier. It's done for everybody at one time. So you just press one button and then it's gone, and the job is done. So it's very efficient for handling afterwards to when the goods are, say, sold.